Okay, to start off this video, I'm kind of just going to give you a little tour of our garden that we have going so far. We've been working on it since probably about January. We built this whole pen, tilled the ground, planted, I had trees planted and everything. So I'm just going to give you a little tour. It's nothing crazy. I'm no expert, but we're going to flip you around and give you a tour. so I have officially been canning. Started at about 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:31. So it's been like 4 hours so far of canning. I have 8 quarts in the pressure canner right now, and we're just trying to maintain it at, it is from the other 40-pound bag, and then whatever's left in the sink, which I'm going to probably cube up until I get this. I'm new to this whole videoing everything that I do thing, so I just took my 7 quarts that were in my pressure canner for the last hour and a half. I just took them out. Everything's really hot, and you can see they're bubbling super nicely. I'm gonna let them sit here and cool until room temperature happening. I'm gonna put 7 more quarts back in and start the process all over again. So let's do it. Okay, it is 5:30. Been at it since like 8 o'clock this morning. So I'm like, OT today, baby, OT. Okay, so now we're gonna take the jars out, put them over here with our other jars, and I'm gonna be done for today. Maybe we'll start again tomorrow. Not maybe, I have to finish those jars, but 2 for today is good enough. Here we go. Check out the beauty. Alright, it's the next morning. Yesterday I ended up doing 2 batches of quarts, and then I was sick of it yesterday, so I'm starting again today. I started about an hour, just over an hour ago. It's 8 o'clock now this morning, so we'll see how far I get today. But while I'm getting this one up to the 14 sweet spot, it's a little high right now, that you can hear that it's rocking. I'm going to be making some breakfast, so I'm just going to show you what I'm making just for some ideas and stuff like that. The kids were yelling, so I didn't want to do the actual voice, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. But basically all I'm saying is that it takes 3 ingredients: your choice of fruit, those croissant rolls that come in the pop tube, and cream cheese. You can make it kind of like a cream cheese frosting if you want, which is actually what I ended up doing. You know, add a little powdered sugar, vanilla, maybe a little milk or something. I can't even remember now. But basically roll them out into a rectangle. You don't do it as individual pieces. You roll it out, press all the seams together so it's kind of like a cinnamon roll. Then you add some cinnamon and sugar with some butter, and then roll it up just like you would a cinnamon roll, and then cut them actually just like you would a cinnamon roll as well. And then put your little thumbprint in the center, add your cream cheese, put a piece of fruit on it, and then bake them in the oven. So watch how I do it. Say, give us a thumbs up.
And then